Brad Williams, Excel Prime, messing around with text and concatenation. This is just sloppy. There's no if, ands, or buts about it. If you want to do this, that is combine two numeric dates into text. You can do it, but it's sloppy and it's a lot of work. Your data entry had better be accurate, because here's the formula: text date 1 553, an explicit format. We're gonna have to throw an if statement in there. What happens if the finish date is blank? You're gonna be hanging with this hyphen. Let's take a look. We have a beginning date, we have an end date. We're just using the text value. Text value converts a value into text with a specific number format. Remember, these are dates, these are numbers. We're going to concatenate and make them look like this. Keep in mind that you're still in function format. If you want these hard-coded, remember, you need to copy and paste special. Outside of that, this is about just saying consistent. Text, we're going to have a value. We're going to have a format. Our format is going to be month, day, year. So our value here is going to be value date 1. Here, name ranges, B5 to B9. Our format text, month, date. Not a problem. We just converted this number, 86, over into this format. Not a big deal. You can remove that middle section. Here's the formula down here. We have this and if saying if not empty, then just put blank. You're going, all right, I don't want to do that. Look what happens. Look what happens when you run into this blank. You're going to get this January 0, 1900. You want that? Probably not. We're going to fix this. In here, all we did was we went if. We have to concatenate this because we're changing course. We're going over to the second date, and we're going to combine those. We have to follow these rules. And if date 2 553, this is date 2 553, is not blank, then let's look at the logical test. There's our logical test. Value of true, value of false. Value of true, value of false. It's not blank, then go ahead and fulfill the requirement. Otherwise, put a blank there. Put a blank next to the other date. That's it. It's just a matter of trying to, one, think through this, and then two, just enter it correctly. And then our text, we're going to have our same format. We have our value and our formal text. Is there any way to say, how do I package this all up into one little deal? You really can't, because text is just its own, this is its own argument. And then we have this other, and then we have this last. You asked, I delivered. Combining two dates in text format, that's how you do it. It's sloppy, but if you're going to do it, just be careful. Read it if you need it. Here is the anatomy. Brad Williams, Excel Primed. Williams out.